Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.